Consistency rule is very common for futures accounts in prop trading world. Here is what you will learn in this video. What is consistency rule and how it works, why consistency rule exists and how it helps you, and of course some real life examples. Because remember that hitting your profit target isn't just enough. How you reach it, it matters as much. Today we will cover everything about this rule, how it works and why it matters for you. Now let's start with what is consistency rule and how it works. Consistency rule determines how much profit you can make in one single trading day. At the trading peak, the limit is 40% of your total profit. So what does it actually mean? It means that no single day should contribute to more than 40% of your total profits. For example, if your profit target is $3,000, that means that your maximum allowed limit per day is $1,200, which is obviously 40% from $3,000. Now, here is something very important to understand. If you exceed the limit, you are not breaching your account. Instead, your profit target increases. So you keep all of the profits, but now you need to make more to pass. Here you can ask, why does this rule even exist? As you know, trading is all about being consistent and disciplined. Imagine an athlete who trains before his next competition. Do you think it's important for him to have training session on a daily basis? Or he can have just one but very long training session just before the competition starts? Same logic applies in trading. Imagine a trader who reaches a profit target in just one big trade. Does it prove that this trader has a skill? Or he just got lucky on one high-risk decision? Without this rule, high-risk behavior is rewarded and no consistency is demonstrated. With the consistency rule, profits must spread across multiple days, trading becomes more controlled and consistent, and most importantly, your own performance becomes repeatable. That's why this rule is not about limiting profits. It's about validating consistency and building a habit of long-term vision. Now let's go through a couple of examples. Let's imagine this scenario over here. The profit target is $3,000. On the first day, you make $1,000 in profit. On the second day, $1,100 in profit. And you close the third day with $900 in profit. In this case, no single day exceeds 40% rule, as all of the days are not higher than $1,200 in profit. This is valid and this shows that you are trading consistency and your strategy works over a long period of time. Now let's have an example with exceeding the limit. Profit target is $3,000 and one of your trading days is closed at $2,000 profit. In this scenario, profit of this day exceeds 40% limit. So what happens next? Following the consistency rule, your highest daily profit should not exceed 40% of your total profit. In this case, your profit target increases and here is how you can calculate it. Right now you can see the formula to calculate it. New profit target equals highest daily profit divided by 0.4. It means that in this case your new profit target is now $5,000. Very important note here is that you don't lose the profit, but now you need to generate more in order to pass. And at last we want to remind you that consistency rule is not about how much money you make. It's connected to how your profit is distributed across multiple days. You can reach the target, but if it comes from one single trading day, it does not reflect a consistent trading behavior. We hope that this video helped you understand how consistency rule works and how to manage your trading accordingly.